Hi, today we'll be learning about sound. There are three things that we'll be learning about sound. First, what is sound? Second, how is sound produced? And third, the types of sound. So, what is sound? To make it simple, sound is everything you hear around you. Easy, no? How then is sound produced? Anything that can vibrate can produce sound. Likewise, anything that can't vibrate can't produce sound. How do we know this? Try putting your hand on your neck and hum. Notice the vibration that your hand feels. Your vocal cords inside your throat are vibrating, thus producing sound. Another example is this little shaker, which has little beads inside that hit each other. And when you shake the shaker, it produces sound. Now, let's talk about the process of sound production. There are two requirements to produce sound. First, it's a vibrating object. Second, is something for sound to travel through. Most of the time, that will be the air around us. Take this guitar, for example. When we play the guitar, the vibration produces sound, which then travels through the air until it reaches our ears. Our ears have special receptors or nerves that receive these vibrations. These vibrations or stimuli is then carried by our nerves to our brains. Our brains then interpret the stimuli into sound. Now we have defined what sound is. We now know how sound is produced. Our last learning point is the kind of sounds. What are the kinds of sound? Well, generally, there are two. First is noise. This type of sound is unpleasant to our ears. Noise is produced by irregular or uneven vibrations. The second type of sound is tone. Unlike noise, tone is pleasant to our ears, and we usually interpret tone as music. Tone is produced by regular or even vibrations. I will now let you listen to a set of sounds. I will play the sound first, and then give you time to answer. After 5 seconds, I'll then show the answer. Can you determine which one is a noisy sound and which one is a tonal sound? Let's begin! Have you guessed it? That sound is noise. How about this one? That is the sound of an electric guitar. That is a tone. The sound of the banging door is noise. Very good. And that is our lesson for today. We have defined sound, we now know how sound is produced, and we know the two kinds of sound. Today's Bible verse is taken from Psalms chapter 98, verse 4. Make a joyful noise unto the Lord, all the earth. Make a loud noise and rejoice and sing praise. Thank you for joining me today, and see you in the next video.